Science Engineering College in the year of 2024, and after that I struggled to place in the company, so I've joined Qspiders 2025 in the month of February, and I have placed in the month of August within 6 months. And I'm very grateful to Qspiders Institute for this wonderful opportunity. And my experience here with trainers, HRs is very great. All the trainers explained very well. If I had any doubts, they took their time and explained me more clearly. And HRs are daily